Join me today as I reset our home and decorate for fall. I'm focusing today on the high traffic areas and making sure everything is tidy and organized. I have a chunk of time at least once a week where I can focus on this and reset our home for the coming week. It feels great to get as much done as I can during this time. That way my home feels a lot cleaner all at once, when most of the time I'm having to fit these little cleaning projects in where I can. So getting that little chunk of time where I can get more done is great. We are currently storing some of Levi's toys out here, which is very uncommon, but we have guests over, so his room is being used. Fall is my favorite time of the year, especially October more than anything. And then November I love. By the time we get into Christmas, I love it, but not as much. So I do have quite a few decor items. I guess if you call this quite a few, this is it here. But I want to just put some out, even though we live in Southern California and it is so hot right now. It's been 104, 106. I think it got up to 108 one day. Anyhow, it's been so hot and really humid, which is uncommon here. But anyhow, I've been inspired. I've been seeing some videos of the people that I like to follow. They've been decorating for fall, so I want to run with that inspiration and try to get into the mood for fall, even though it is so hot here still. I know some minimalists don't even decorate at all. I really enjoy it, so therefore I do it. This is the only bin we have with fall decor, and then I have a few bins with Christmas stuff. This is actually just some extra things that I have saved: a basket for a plant, a jump rope, some extra empty bags, and then a few flags that I use for the 4th of July decor. And again, I know a lot of minimalists would say they don't decorate at all, but I really enjoy it, and part of being minimalist is doing what makes you happy in your home. And this is the first year I'm actually storing the decor boxes in our house and not in the garage. My husband uses the garage for woodworking and it gets really messy in there. If you've watched my videos for a while, you'll know that I don't like to add seasonal decor to our regular decor, so I just take these items down. Hopefully there's no spiders, because there was last time. And I put this stuff away. This is more bright colored kind of spring and summer stuff that I like to put out. I'll just put this away for fall and winter. Halloween stuff until we get a little closer to Halloween, because I know the kids will just take this and fill it with junk and I won't even see this as decor. So I'm gonna bring this out when we get a little closer. All of this decor I've had for years. If you've watched my videos for a while, it's the same stuff going up. I actually was in Target the other day and I saw a sign that said fall on it, and then on the other side it said trick or treat, and I thought about buying it, but then I thought, do I really need any more fall decor? If anything, I think I could paint up my own cute sign with some of the wood that we have in the garage. I've done that before for Easter, and put it out front. So that's something I might do as just a fun craft. But I decided not to buy any more fall decor. I just don't think I really need to have any more, and I don't really want to store it. And I just like a little hint of decor instead of feeling overwhelmed with all of it and then having to store it. All the things that come with just having too much, in my opinion. Last year I made this fall bunting and it was super fun and easy to make. I'll probably end up hanging this out in the front yard. I actually did a video on my other channel, Simply Shannon, where I showed how I made this. It was a really fun thing to make, but I think I'll hang it outside. As you can see, I've kept it very basic for now, but one thing I love to do is use natural decor. So as we get further into fall, I will buy some pumpkins and gourds, and I love to have all the pumpkins stacked up around our fireplace. I also like to get some yellow and orange flowers that are in pots that I can then go and plant in our backyard. I actually have one that I planted when we first moved in here from fall leftover, and it's still coming back every single year. But I'm gonna wait until we get a little further into fall, so that way everything's not rotting by the time Halloween and Thanksgiving roll around. Since decorating the little mini mantles we have and the hearth, I wanted to take a moment to vacuum out our fireplace and the front screen because not too long ago we got this gas fireplace and we have been using it when the cooler weather does roll around. So I noticed there was quite a bit of dust on there and I thought this would be the perfect moment to take advantage of this time and get that cleaned up. Then I'm just doing some regular cleaning that I do almost daily, which is vacuuming up our rugs and our high traffic areas and tidying up the living room and putting everything away so we can start all over again and enjoy our living space. With the current water restrictions in Southern California, we have decided to stop watering our front and back lawn. The lawn has completely died. It is a nice yellow brown color, and we're okay with that because we are trying to save as much water as possible. They had restricted us down to watering 1 day per week for a very short time. We decided not to do that because we didn't see the point in trying to keep our grass alive when it was never great to begin with. But what's happened is a lot of the dead grass is now being tracked inside, and I'm having to vacuum and mop more regularly and more often, which is good. It's keeping my kitchen cleaner, but that's one reason why I'm having to visit this area more often. Here I'm just trying some of the dupe magic erasers I bought. I thought it would be good to touch up these high traffic areas that had a lot of marks that I just could not get off of the wall. I just bought these eraser pads. They're called, it's a Mr. Clean Dupe Magic Eraser. I don't feel they were working that great. They did get some of the fingerprints off around my doors and around the hall. We've been having some family come and stay with us recently, and we've had a wonderful time. They've gone off on a vacation locally, and then they're gonna be coming back. So that's why my house is a little bit out of its normal order. Normally I have all of Levi's stuff in his own room, but currently I have some of it around the house because it's just, he's not in that room right now. So we've integrated all his stuff throughout our home, but I am looking forward to the day when I can get him back in his room. I wanted to answer a question that I got recently, which is how do I keep my home clutter-free and organized with 3 small kids? How I do that is I try to use these chunks of time where one of my children is sleeping, the other 2 are at school, and of course I don't have time now to completely clean my whole entire house, but I can fit in these little areas where I want to get things organized or get things tidy, just do a general reset. I also listen to a podcast while I'm doing this, and that makes it enjoyable for me to just carry on. And then I also did a little decorating, which is fun. So that is how I am able to stay on top of my house and just do these general resets maybe once a week. So in the meantime, my house might get a little unorganized and dirty or messy, whatever you want to call it. And then I will take a chunk of time and just reset everything, tidy up what I can, and just do my best to keep it as organized as possible. I always say that being clutter-free or trying to be as minimalist as possible for myself makes it so much easier to stay on top of everything. And so that's how I get it done. And I also do like to schedule my own time to do my creative things like edit videos and film these videos and that sort of thing. So I do, I add that into my day as well. And it's not every day, but I do make time for myself because I'm a human being as well, not just a cook and cleaner of this home. And then I also try to get my whole family involved as well. And my boys are quite young still, but I do try to instill in them these habits that are good to put things away when you get home and that sort of thing. As we're shifting into fall, I am also looking at my wardrobe, and I'm planning on doing a full reset of my wardrobe and figure out exactly what I want to keep and what I want to wear this fall and winter. Pretty soon I'm going to be adding some more hooks and things around our house, because I've found since starting school there's a lot of bags and things that we don't have a dedicated location for, and that's another great way to stay organized, is just have a designated location for everything. And so I'm going to be doing that really soon. I will make a video about it so I can show you how I'm organizing everything and having a spot for everything. I do have a second channel, and that is called Simply Shannon, where I do vlogs about our home renovations, day in the life videos, and also we're redoing my mom's bedroom right now. So if you want to follow me there, I will put the link in the description box. And I also came out with a members only section on this channel, so I will link that as well with more information down below. After just about a half an hour of resetting these high traffic areas, my home feels refreshed and amazing again, just how I love it, a lived-in home that we can enjoy as a family. And even though this could be short-lived, the tablecloth was quickly spilt on, I'm still happy that I reset everything. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.